Have you ever wondered what powers every move you make, every beat of your heart, and even every thought that flickers through your mind? I'm talking about ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, the unsung hero of your cellular world. Imagine ATP as the ultimate energy currency of your body. Just like money in the bank, ATP keeps your cellular economy booming. Every cell in your body, from your brain to your muscles, relies on this incredible molecule for energy. But what exactly is ATP, and why is it so critical? ATP is a nucleic acid derivative, a small yet mighty molecule. It's structured with a base, a sugar, and not one, not two, but three phosphate groups. These phosphates are key. They hold high-energy bonds that, when broken, release the energy your cells need for just about everything. Now, how is ATP made? Inside your cells, there's a fascinating process known as ATP synthesis. This occurs primarily in the powerhouses of the cells, the mitochondria. Here, through a process that includes glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, energy from the food you eat is converted into ATP. And there's a special enzyme, ATP synthase, that plays a crucial role in this energy conversion. But ATP's role doesn't stop at energy. It's also a signaling molecule, helping cells communicate with each other, playing a part in everything from how your heart beats, to how your muscles contract, and even how your nerves send signals. And here's something particularly relevant for us as we age. Our body's ability to produce ATP declines, which can lead to reduced energy levels and less vitality. That's why understanding how to maintain and even enhance ATP production is crucial, especially for seniors. This is where Imuregen comes into play. Developed over decades in Europe, Imuregen is designed to support your cellular health right at the DNA level. Its blend of nucleotides and essential minerals helps ensure that your cells have the components they need to keep producing ATP efficiently. With Imuregen, the promise is not just more ATP, but better overall vitality and energy management. So, why is this important? Because every bit of energy counts, especially as we get older. Enhancing ATP production can mean the difference between feeling just okay and feeling vibrant and active every day. Imagine your day not dictated by the limits of tiredness, but propelled by sustained energy. In conclusion, ATP is not just a molecule, it's the backbone of your energetic existence. And with the right support, like that from Imuregen, you can help ensure that this molecular powerhouse keeps you running at your best, no matter your age. Now, isn't it amazing how much life depends on tiny molecules like ATP? Let's appreciate and support our body's energy currency and keep our cellular engines running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, when it comes to our health, knowledge is not just power, it's energy.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you Imuregen. Imu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue, which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. Imuregen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.